Moonshiner, Captain Lou, Moonshiner. Waiting on you, Moonshiner.
I'm ready.
Nice guy.
Oh, you want a hand up? Okay.
All right, that's all right. That's all right. Let's do it.
Okie dokie.
Go for it, you dirty rat.
Oh, hell no. Hold on. That damn moonshiner done slipped out. What the hell's wrong with him?
Open the box. The hell with him.
Speed, go to Zamtalk and flip your screen around. I'll see it through that.
He back. Go in on Mouse.
Good. Your damn thing kicked me off. It's all good. Sorry about that.
Hold on, give us a minute.
Don't cut your damn finger off, Mouse.
Someone should tell him to keep his face away from that when he pops that open, man. That ain't right.
He just break the damn knife. He won't hurt nothing. Hard-headed rascal.
Yeah, but that thing pops out of there real hard like it should. It's gonna hurt him.
You can't hurt him no more,
Should the
man.
can be on his on the box or on his face?
Well, I don't know what he doing,
I
but
asked earlier, why were you ain't seeing my face.
put the camera where we can see your face, you rat. Come on, he don't want us to watch.
Come on, no
He-
more. Come
hey.
on, put it on you.
He don't want us to watch him cry. Damn it, I don't know if I want to see his damn face.
Oh.
Shit. I don't know if I want to see his
Bad
face.
idea, bad idea.
Damn!
All right, let's see what's in the box. Lighten it up here a little bit, Speed.
Damn it, man. He already has a Billy Bass.
You what?
Well, you say you already got a Billy Bass, like you sent him another one, huh?
Oh, Moonshiner, you was right. Look at there. It's a USPS box on the inside. You was right.
When you get a chance, I want to see the red curtain. When you get a chance, I want to see that red curtain over there.
You don't want to see in there, I'm telling you.
If it fits,
You see my stash of liquor? See my stash of liquor right there?
I'm surprised you got any left.
The way he was pointing, I think you could want some of it.
Damn it, he going for a treasure chest, ain't he? He hunting, ain't he? Remember, Mouse, this was just a joke. It was just a joke, Mouse.
I don't care. It's all good.
Yeah, we don't want to hurt your feeling.
What the hell?
Remember, that's what friends are for.
Okay, you're making me cry here a little bit.
It's okay, enjoy it, bro.
Just enjoy it, man. Just enjoy it.
Would you all do this?
The whole pack
From
of
your
us.
Pal Talk buddies.
Well, I love you, brothers, boy. I tell you what, thank you so much.
And now unwrap some of that bubble wrap and you'll find other things in there. That shit that you just threw on the, yeah, there you go.
You guys got me tearing up, man.
We'd rather have
We
you.
sent that bird meter over because we wanted to prove that that damn 155 ain't building true watts.
Damn it, Moonshiner.
I'm just busting your butt there, 155.
Sugar in, sugar out, man. That's the way it works.
Damn, Moonshiner, you fool.
Yeah, you guys are awesome, man. This is crazy. This got the
Nice.
peak kit and everything.
Yeah, so what you got to do, you got to pull the backside off of that meter, hook the battery up. Now you can mount that battery on the inside with some hot melt glue or just lay it in there, however you want to do it. And there's a 100-watt slug and a 500-watt slug. So that peak kit has the doubler on it. Peak kit on, and it has the 2 times and the 5 times on it.
Oh, you guys are awesome, man. I was just trying to go through what money we had to see if I could actually buy one of these. I almost did. Oh, God. You guys, man, you guys are awesome. Thank you.
You welcome, bro.
I'll take your ass to the couch up them pennies, nickels, and dimes to get your ass to Manchester.
Oh, yeah. I'm working on it. Working on it. First thing I gotta do, though, is get a job. My job's gonna depend on whether I can go or not. Whew, buddy. Yeah, I don't even know what to say, guys. Really.
You said enough. You said thank you.
Now
You know.
you'll see the slug. You'll see the slug that's in there is turning straight up and down. I did that so the meter doesn't move. If you turn your slug straight up and down with the arrows up and down, your meter movement won't move. That's how you transport them. You just turn your slug to the direction of the antenna.
Okay, cool. Oh, this is so sweet. I'll be right back. I gotta go show the wife. I'll be
Bam. That's awesome, guys.
Yeah.
Ain't that something? Good job, fellas.
Thanks,
I
fellas.
got to
You
jump
get
out of here, man. Hey, Mouse and Joy, I'll have to catch y'all later.
Thanks, fellas. I don't care what Mouse
I
says
want
about you. You
55
guys are
later
all
on.
right.
I gotta get out here and dry the water off before it spots, man. I'll catch y'all later. Bum bum.